Oh, yeah, look at all of that delicious caramel. That is what I'm talking about right there, you guys. So I am adding an entire jar of Smucker's caramel right into my pot here. I'll pair it up with a 10-ounce bag of mini marshmallows and, of course, 2 tablespoons of butter. That's all we need to get started here today, you guys. Cook it on low heat until the caramel is all combined with the butter and the marshmallow, and we are on our way to, I don't know, heaven, I'd say. Look at that. We are finally arriving here at some melted deliciousness. I'm gonna give it a try.
How's it taste?
Wow, this is so good, you guys. That caramel is all laced in with that marshmallow, and it tastes absolutely fabulous. Okay, so we're moving right along here. I am gonna grab myself some Rice Krispie treats. A massive box. Don't worry, you don't need this much. You need about 4 cups of Rice Krispie treats. That's all. So a regular box will do just fine. What I like to do is I like to add a little bit of Rice Krispies, and then I'll stir it up, and then I'll add some more and stir it up, and I'll just wait until I get to the consistency that I like. So I know a lot of times people are asking, is it this much? Is it that much? 1 box will do you good, and you can just add it in as you go along and just get it to your desired crispy amount, right, of that consistency. So that's what we're gonna do here. We are just gonna stir in this marshmallow caramel mixture with these Rice Krispies. Holy cow, you guys, this is like Rice Krispie on steroids. We're making it happen today. Yeah, I cannot wait. All right, we're coming in with some Krispies here. Holy cow, I cannot wait to eat this, you guys. I literally felt like I just wanted to take a spoon and start just eating it right out of the pot. Oh my God. Okay, well, now that I got my upper body workout in for the day, we are taking all of these Krispies out of our pot, placing them into our little baking dish here. Now, I always line my baking dish with parchment paper. I know that some people say that they like to use butter. Maybe you spray the dish. Tell me what you think is the best technique for this, you guys. I want to know. I'm rolling with parchment paper. That seems to be the easiest for me. And it looks like we have everything smoothed out here. And all I'm going to do now is, bam, that's what I'm talking about. Some pecans. Let's go. I've got some chopped pecans here. They're actually a little bit bigger than I expected. They say chopped on the bag, but they're actually more seem like halves. What's up with that, huh? I feel like is that false advertising? All right, well, you can tell I am just kind of layering on these pecans here. Now, I don't know if you want to top this with it. If not, it's totally up to you. Okay, we're gonna come once again in with my potato masher. You know, if you know me, that this thing is just life, right? It works so good with crispy treats, just pounding down all of that caramel with the marshmallow. Now we have some pecans on top. And look at that, we are ready to rock and roll. So I'm just gonna set these to the side, give them about an hour to set up, and stick around when I just cut into these, and you can see this ooey gooey marshmallow and caramel with the pecans and the new Rice Krispies. I think this is gonna be your new favorite. Let's go. These definitely look like ooey gooey goodness right here. You guys, I cannot wait to dig in. I know that the texture of the pecan too on the top is gonna be so good. So I'm gonna see if I can just lift this out right here if all goes well. Perfect. And we'll just set this down right onto our sheet. Oh my gosh, you know what I want? I want this corner right here with all of those pecans. Oh, listen to that crunch, baby. Oh yeah, caramel, marshmallow, right here with our Krispies and our pecans. Oh yeah. All right. I'm already getting a pecan. Let's see how this goes. Oh my gosh.
Let's see you peel it apart.
I know. I'm saying I let it sit for like an hour. Look at that pull apart. Look at the pull apart, baby. Now it's going in my belly. Oh, I lost a pecan. Oh. Wow. These are so good. So good. Wow, these are amazing. A little bit of that caramel and goes perfectly with those pecans. I'd say this is a home run, 10 out of 10, you guys. Let me know how you're switching up your crispy treat. I would love all the different varieties because they are delicious. We will see you guys later. Like, share, and follow. Thank you for all your support. See you later. Enjoy.